Guys, ito naman yung part 2. Alright, play na natin.
Dami, sobra.
Easy,
Si
relax,
Bill.
relax.
Sobrang dami ko natutunan talaga dito sa bahay. Pero siguro pinaka ano sa akin, yun yung pakita ko lang kung sino ako. Kasi may mga tao
Tama
na
naman.
matatanggap ka, may mga tao na mamahalin ka. And may mga tao din na i-correct ka sa mga pagkakamali mo. And nahanap ko yun dito sa pamilya. Kumbaga,
Grabe yung pag-grow ni Will
maging happy ka na talaga.
sa
Kasi
PBB.
wala ka na
Kitang-kita ko.
Sobra hindi ko na maisa-isa pero yun na lang muna. Pero for sure, sobrang dami talaga. Ikaw, Riv.
Siguro something recently also na we're so blessed.
River.
We're so blessed to be here. We're so blessed to still be here. And each of us, we all have this position to be able to be a blessing also to others. Especially
Yeah.
in the last task na we were able to donate to our chosen charities. So that was such a big thing of how much impact we can bring to other people's lives. And yun, so we should make the most out of this position that we
Grabe
have.
talaga, no?
And
Napakabuti ng
especially
puso
outside, I
mo.
think
Tao
that's
na
to
to.
continue also, being a blessing to others.
We love you, River.
Thanks, River. My love.
I learned a lot, pero yung tumatak talaga ngayon, and I hate na I learned it on the last few weeks na lang, was to stay present. And, kasi diba, my whole journey here, I was distracted with all the chaos inside my head, the chaos outside, and everything that's going on lang. Nadala ko sa thoughts ko. And, siguro something na I'll really hold on to is
To be honest, guys, very true talaga si AC, no? Consistent talaga yung ugali niya simula day 1 hanggang
That
sa
made you
ito.
have that.
My
Hanggang sa
wife, bro.
kasalukuyan.
Whoa.
I wasn't happy of I wasn't happy na with the distractions, and it was eating me up. Then I needed to let it go. Kasi walang mangyayari if I keep it in.
Oh my
And then
God.
I tried
Yes,
to let it go
tama.
for a day. I was happy. So, pina-continue ko.
So you're happy now.
I am.
That's good.
Good, lazy.
I'm happy for you.
Ako siguro aside sa dessert and omelette ko, natutunan ko dito na natutunan ko paano maging follower. Kasi ako, sanay ako na maging leader outside. Natutunan ko na sa lahat ng task, hindi sa lahat magaling ako. Ibibigay ko sa iba kung magaling talaga sila. At pinaka-important talaga, natutunan ko paano mag-clap sa others. Kasi dati talaga parang feeling ko, hindi, parang kailangan ko itong panalunin, ganyan. Pero, you know, you just need to cut some slacks and to parang enjoy the moment. Nasulitin na lang yung mga natitirang araw na andito kami sa bahay. Kasi sobrang privilege na andito kami. Wala kaming iniisip na mga
Yeah.
problema. Wala kaming iniisip na mga bills, mga electricity bills. And sobrang happy ko na nakakita talaga ako ng friends that I can call my own. Kasi dito, nung nasa Manila, wala talaga akong friends. At eto, feeling ko, hindi ko naman feeling talaga. Parang, meron na talaga akong pamilya dito. At yun yung natutunan ko na amidst the competition, there's a family.
Of course. The wifey.
Lahat, talagang lahat alam. Oh my God, I'm crying so hard na. But I learned to trust myself. I learned that sa second coming ko dito, parang resurrection lang na namatay, tapos nabuhay. I learned to trust myself and to be confident in myself. I learned that I can be who I am. I don't need to cut any part of me to fit into a shape into this house. And
Very ko niya
I learned to
noon.
be comfortable po talaga. That if they don't love me,
Napaka-matured niya.
I'm not gonna be for everyone.
Very smart.
And I'm grateful for the people who love me. So happy to see you guys. Nakakainis.
Siguro yung pinaka natutunan ko dito is yung maging bukas. Maging bukas na magbigay ng pagmamahal, maging bukas na tumanggap ng pagmamahal,
True.
maging bukas na tumanggap ng pagkatalo, tumanggap pag mali ka, saka maging bukas sa mga magiging bukas din sa'yo.
Oo.
any instance? I mean, when you learn to really open yourself, what was the difference now and like before?
Because you guys know me as someone closed off talaga ever since week 1 pa lang. Yun yung laging observation sa akin. And I could say now na week by week, parang unti-unti na unfold talaga yung mga gusto kong ipakita, saka yung mga gusto kong matutunan nyo about my personality, about myself. And I could say na 14 weeks down the line, I
Tagal?
guess wala na talaga akong
Tagal na.
pwede pa ipakita yun na lahat. Yun na yun.
Okay.
That's nice.
That's really nice.
Oh.
Grabe.